Good day. Sandwich Dad here. I don't know if any of y'all follow No Name brand on Twitter, but they've revealed the recipe for the sandwich on their mayonnaise. So, like the Spam label sandwich before it, we shall make the No Name Mayonnaise label sandwich. We'll need a Loblaws bakery bun, some turkey, tomato, looks like a nice lettuce. I'm going to just use some iceberg though, some red onion, and some No Name cheddar flavored processed cheese product. I can't actually open my fridge anymore or this happens. Hey, get back here, you. Come back. Now in the tweet, they kind of build it upside down. I'm going to build it the other way up just for ease of videoing. So bottom bun, lettuce, tomato. Wasn't included, but we always salt and pepper our tomatoes here on Sandwich Dad. Looks to be 4 slices of turkey piled just like so. Then we have our red onion, a single slice of cheddar flavored processed cheese product, and finally a rather sizable dollop of mayonnaise. I take our top bun, it's slightly of an angle there, and by Joe, I think we've done it. Let's just shuffle that hat a little further on there and press down. Alrighty then. Cut diagonally, which is just straight across if your bun is a circle. And let's look at that cross section. Alright. And now the No Name sandwich from the mayonnaise label taste test. I thought it might be a bit too dry, but it's a solid turkey sandwich with No Name mayonnaise. This is Sandwich Dad. Merch on my profile there. Good day.